My name is Alan Isabella, and I heard about this through the internet. I was looking at different alternatives, hair transplants and so forth. It was starting to really bother me. It was thinning out very fast, and I came across Misti, and we thought we'd give this a shot. It seemed to me that it was probably the most realistic way of trying to fight the thinness, baldness, and it's working very well. I've only been at it, let's see, maybe about 5 months now, and it's really coming in. And my wife is liking it too, so that's good. According to my wife, anyway, it's filled in at least 40–50%.
Great. So would you recommend Cellustrious to
Absolutely,
anyone?
absolutely,
Okay.
absolutely.